Hello everyone. Hope you guys are doing great. So in my today's video, I'll take you through the Q3 results of the TVS Motor Company Limited. So I think after hearing the name, it requires no introduction. Everyone is aware what this TVS Motor Company does, and they are well known all over India, especially their Apache series and in the scooters. The Jupiter scooter is very famous all over India, right? So let's get into the results. So their revenue was up by almost 34% to 14,756 crores compared to 11,035 crores from the last year. PAT was almost up by 55% to 891 crores compared to 609 crores last year. EPS was up by 49% to 17.71 rupees compared to 11.1191 rupees last year. They were able to keep their operating margins stable at 15%, same as last year, even though they had some issues in the EV segment. And if you guys are not aware that the EV segment is still not EBITDA positive, they're still working towards it. And even through all these challenges, their PAT margin was up to 7.6% compared to the 6.8% last year, which helped them obviously getting in the operating leverage for the whole year. So when we look at the overall unit for the whole company, they were able to sell 15.4 lakh units compared to 12.1 lakh units last year. So they have main four segments: motorcycle, scooter, mopeds, and three-wheelers. So in the motorcycle segment, the sales grew by 31%, and the overall unit that they sold was 7.26 lakh units compared to the last year. The scooter segment grew by 25% to 6.4 lakh units. But the most uh, amazing thing in the scooter segment is that their EV sales, the EV part of the scooter, grew by almost 40%. Last year, they sold around 64,000 units. This year, they sold around 106,000 units. So this clearly shows the demand for the EV scooters in India, and TVS is capturing the market. So in the moped, they sold around 1.44 lakh units. I think everyone would have seen these mopeds all over India, and especially they are used to carry heavy materials, and you would have seen in especially in small towns and villages, and obviously you see it in the cities also. And the last segment is the three-wheelers. Over there, the volume increase, the sales increased by almost 106%. So last year they sold around 29,000 units. This year they were able to sell around 60,000 units. The other updates that the company gave is like uh, that they are planning to launch a short range EV in scooter segment, which is called Orbiter. This is mainly for people who are looking for scooters for a shorter range. And obviously, this helps them to cater to that need as well as capture bigger market share and, cater to the demands of the people. And the company is very positive that they are going to be becoming better and better in the EV segment. And currently, they are not EBITDA positive, and they are very sure that the way things are going in the EV segment and the way the sales are growing and the way the demand is there and the way they are catering to it, they will definitely become EBITDA positive in the coming quarters. So let's see whether it is possible or whether it will take some more time, right? And as told you about the three-wheeler segment, right? Their sales grew by almost 106%. And over there also, majority of their sales are happening through the EV rickshaws, the e-rickshaws which are being sold. So that's where they are trying to capture the market. So this clearly shows that through the GST cuts and everything, the demands are back. And plus the company is catering to that demand. They are increasing their capacity for the production, and plus they are concentrating on the EV segment. And we can clearly see, especially in the scooter as well as in the rickshaw segment, that the demands for the EV is quite high. And with that being said, the EV segment currently is not EBITDA positive. Once it becomes EBITDA positive, it will help them generate even more profit in the coming quarters, in the coming months. I hope in this video you're able to understand the results and what the company is doing and how all the four segments are contributing to the results. Thank you and God bless you.